Welcome back to the channel, YouTubers. Just a very quick video. I've got this red dot scope. I've just fitted it to a pistol. It's basically a Flipdot Reflex sight. Never heard of it, and obviously made in China. Comes with a very nice little padded case and a little instruction pack. And as you can see, it's basically a flip-up design. So it's a micro red dot scope. Flips up. Comes with I think that's like an attachment plate for a milled Glock slide, spare battery, and a little weenie screwdriver for windage and elevation. So that's basically the box, and I fitted it to this pistol because it had iron sights on it and it was alright, but I had no adjustment for windage or elevation, and I wanted to get a red dot scope for it, but I didn't want a big ugly one fitted here. I wanted something on the back end. It didn't fit straight out of the packet. Let me show you. Get a nice little like rubber cover there. Yeah, it didn't fit straight onto the 11mm rail. I had to put a Picatinny like weaver on there, and I had to file it down as well to make it fit. But no, it works alright. As you can see, you've got a little flip up button, and that's basically on off as well. So that's off. As soon as you flick it, the red dot's on. So yeah, I'm dead happy with that. It's quite handy. So I'm going to sight it in the garden at 15 meters and see what accuracy's like with that little cute red dot. Okay, awesome. Yeah, not bad.